Grab your 100% free training right now on the 7 major steps to becoming a long-term successful trader. The very first link in the description, click on that to get the free training right now. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading can cause substantial financial loss. There's so many areas to become a good trader. So this here is just the education only and it's not financial advice. Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Dow Jones and I did a video yesterday saying, warning, caution, and that basically could there be another big downturn? Is there another downturn coming in the stock market? And I did the video yesterday, and one of the comments in the chat box, they said if. Now what I was saying, and what's so important to be when it comes to trading, is wait for confirmation. It's so important if you're trading. Firstly, if you are trading, you must understand, right? It's not about one trade. I hope you get that, what I'm trying to say there, right? It's not about, because there's a win-loss ratio to every strategy. You have to go through your losses and you got to go through your profits to see the win-loss ratio. Now, I was saying, the market downturn, wait for confirmation. And the reason why I say that is because so many people right now, right, I guarantee you so many people right now think that the market is going to see a big drop down in the markets right now, and it's definitely going to happen. And they're listening to other people out there and they're going to start to short this market. Now, what's really, really, really important to this, what's really important to your trading is to not jump ahead of the curve and not think that you know what's going to happen. Because I guarantee you, when you think something's going to happen, 9 times out of 10, the exact opposite happens. Okay. So wait for confirmation. Now, for me, waiting for confirmation is telling me that we're likely to break down out of these markets here. So if I'm looking at this Dow Jones chart right now, actually if I bring up, say, this one right here, and I'm looking at the Dow Jones, confirmation for me would be to say that we're likely to, there's no 100% in anything, but we're likely to start seeing, if we break below this support level, right? We had support here, support around this 25,000 support. So if it's going to, be smart about the way you trade the markets. And then when you do get that, when we do start to, or if we do, and there's always that if, right? It's like we never know what's going to happen, but if we do get the confirmation, it means a nice big down bar breaking below 25,000. Then the next stop is down 24,000 on the Dow Jones. Makes sense? So wait for confirmation. Same for the S&P 500. We actually can see there's a bit of support level through here. Let's go through this level through here. So we've got this support level through here. And if we do drop down a little bit more, then as you can see, right, if we do get confirmation, which means a nice break below this 2700 on the S&P, if we do get a break below that, then this probably has a good chance of running back down towards, at least the lows through here. I would say probably down towards that 25,500, right? So that's when I say, whenever I say if this is going to happen, as a trader, right? Firstly, as a trader, we need to respond to what the market is telling us. Secondly, we don't just trade because we think something's going to happen, right? There's a win-loss ratio to every trading out there. But right now, what I'm looking for is if the market does get a solid close below the 2,700, same for the Dow Jones on this 25,000, we get a close below there. That's the confirmation for me. And on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is actually the worst one here. Nasdaq actually found a lot of support around this level through here, which was this level here through here. If we do get a close below this level, which is just below, which is around that 7,300 level, if we get a nice solid close below there, especially with a volume spike, then we're probably likely to start to see a sharp drop down to 6,800 on the Nasdaq. So, makes sense? So market crash, question mark. Well, we don't know if it's going to crash. But if it is, wait for confirmation first if you want to start trading that. And as always, make sure that you have good risk management in place, because guess what? Even though we get a breakdown, that could be some sort of a false breakout too. Makes sense? So, and just remember guys, it's not about this one trade. If you do trade this one trade trying to make a lot of money in one trade, that's not how long-term successful trading is all about. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you grab the 100% free training, the 7 major steps to becoming a long-term successful trader. Over the last 15 years of trading the markets and doing really, really well, and also being mentored by multiple 7-figure traders, I've learned some 7 major steps to becoming a really, really good trader. So make sure you click on that very first thing in the description. Also click on the subscribe button. Make sure also in the link in the description, you also can check out my Facebook page. Also, you can get my brand new book, called the Flow of Success. So make sure you grab that as well too. And also make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you thought about this training as well. And I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, just let me know.